YouTube, how's it going? John here with Herman Woodworks, and big exciting news. Outlets. Oh my, outlets. Light switches. Oh my God, power panel. Anywho, right now, just wanted to do a little review. Had lights put in. Right now I don't have them on. I wanted to show everybody, do a review difference in case anybody's wondering. So for the past almost year that the building's been up, I've been running these string lights. They're with 100 watt bulbs. There's supposed to be 10 of them. You can see in the back corner, I hit one with a ladder the other day. So right now, the way you see it lit up is with 900 watt bulbs. 900 watts. So 900 watts. Anywho, back to the point. I digress. So yeah, I wanted to show the difference between these. Take the switch, flick it off, and I'm going to show you what it's like. So the lights I'm kind of reviewing right now, almost get myself. These Metalux LEDs, 8 foot. They say 8,000 lumen up to, but then when you read the thing on the back, I think it says like 8160 or something. But commercial, it's supposed to be dimmable. I have not put the dimming switch on it yet. That'll be something different. But yeah, let's do this. So there's 6 of them. So they're a little spendy. They're $100 each. So, but for the new shop, doing the stuff, I wanted it to be bright. Surgery in here. So let's kick these things on and off, see what happens. Hopefully one of the last times I wear a headlamp in this shop. But anyway, so as you can see the new strip lights hanging. You can see right now I just got the bulbs. That's that. Let's pull the plug. All right, now I know where my hand's at. Let's kick these on. Boom. Yeah, that's going to be a lot better. So like I said, this is a 28 by 28 building. Yeah, like I said, I went with 6 of them. I brought back ones in about 6 foot, front ones in about 6 foot from the front face, and then put the other ones right smack dab in the middle. For the time being, they're just hanging there on chains, or well, I should say cords. But eventually, once I insulate it and put some OSB up, I'll end up rising those up, putting them on the actual roof deck area there, and yeah, we'll go from there. So, I don't know. Actually, I know. Those are awesome. Actually, one of the other ones I want to review too, we'll go outside, is for the outside, had a Defiant motion security light. It's supposed to be 3,000 lumens. All right, here we are outside the shop. The 2 coach lights, those are 100 watt each. And that bright guy up there is 3,000 lumens of LED. Really kicks the light out. Right now, where I'm standing, I'm at almost 50 feet. The motion sensor is supposed to work out to 75 feet. Yeah, I've been really thrilled with it. It's nice just lighting up here when myself or the wife pull in. But yeah, happy. All right, everybody, decided to do one more real quick. I kicked off the coach lights just to kind of give a lot better idea of the light this thing kicks out. The edge of the grass you're seeing out there, actually the deck, that's actually probably about a good 60 feet. I mean, seeing the whole better part of my house. So that's a good 80 or so feet, obviously, from this light here. Yeah. So 3,000 lumens does the trick. All right, YouTube. So that's it for that video, really. In conclusion, Metalux LED lights. Like I said, Home Depot. I'm sure they carry something similar at Lowe's or something like that. Probably carry the same thing. I don't know, but $100 each. If you're building a wood shop like this, I'll be able to see every little scratch I make on the wood. I'm loving this. The Defiant motion security light, so far so good. You know, who knows, maybe in a year I'll do a review on how everything keeps holding up. But big things going on here now that I got most of the framing done. Got a little bit of framing to do, got actual outlets going and stuff on the walls. So now it's all about figuring out where to get the saws and everything set up, get the shop set up the way I want it. Fun stuff. So probably do some videos on that too. If you guys are new, please subscribe, and I will talk to everyone soon.